Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to change LED light mode for your speaker JBL Grip. And basically we have two options how to change it. The first one, we can use the application. You need to install and set up JBL Portable app and add your speaker to the application. If your speaker connected with the app, it will open for you speaker menu. But if you're in the main menu, just tap at your speaker at the device list. Now, to change it, firstly we need to enable LED light, so click the slider near to light brightness, and we just enable LED light. And right here we have modes, so let me show it for you. We can change it. You can move to the left to select new mode or disable it. Also, we can use controls, and near to the LED light and near to the USB-C port we have LED light button. You need to single press on it, and now, as you can see, I swap between these modes. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.